Alright boys, new video form. I'm currently at TWA airport. Sorry, JFK airport, but TWA,
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है
what's it called? Hotel. And this is a hotel review because I'm flying out tomorrow morning. And it's a very nice, like, airplane themed, place. So now I'm going through the red carpet tunnel. I'm supposed to go through the red carpet tunnel, and on my left I will find the rooms or the elevators that will take me to the rooms. Yeah, so semester's over. It's all done. It's like 5 in the evening and I'm with this kid.
What's up?
So yeah, we're currently trying to figure out what to do with the day. He has a TA session to go to.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, guys? What's Edwin? Not doing much, just chilling here. It's, unfortunately, Anand, you're the only one who has nothing to do, bro.
I mean, it's called time management, isn't it?
Alright, guys, look. I'm an advocacy for complete authenticity, and even he knows that is complete bullshit.
I mean, what can I say? What can I say?
The fucking truth?
The truth is all my work is done for him.
The truth is he has no work.
Have a look at Canvas.
He has no work. That's pretty much it. Oh yeah. Oh, so this much time management. Now, how many pieces of content have you put out in the last 4 months?
That, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. It's a work in progress.
You know how much I've put out? Double digits.
Or double digits,
Yeah.
it seems. What, in videos?
Yeah, double digits. 10 are out. You know when you put one.
इस प्रकार की बचकाना बातें किसी के गले नहीं उतरती, लोग मजाक उड़ाते।
Sit the fuck down.
Okay. So yeah, also he has a YouTube channel too. I'll probably link it in this vlog. So yeah, currently having like fries and burger. We got, what was that, Big Bang Theory. But yeah, let's see. Honestly, next segment's probably going to be whatever we decide to do. Because for now we have no clue.
Alright, boys, welcome back to the vlogs. It's your boy Anant Mishra. Oops. I know I suddenly got a complete upgrade in the physique and everything. You know, it's just 6 months of grind, guys. That's.
You're done now.
Alright, back to the segment. What's the segment?
Food reviews.
Food reviews with Anant Mishra. Now what? Now I know what you're wondering. What makes Anant Mishra qualified to do this shit, right? Absolutely nothing.
No, I have a very base argument. Like, you can tell, right? I don't eat a lot, right? So if I like something, then you know it's good. Think about it. It's a valid argument.
I'd argue if he hasn't eaten much or tried anything, he clearly has no experience with eating food, which means fat people are better at tasting food because they have a wider range of comparisons in terms
To
of
be
like
fair,
very good and very bad.
Fat people have a wider everything.
Wow. Alright, anyways, let's go.
Welcome to the channel. Anyway, so today we have a fried chicken sandwich from the grill.
A fried
if you-
chicken sandwich.
Yeah, if you'd like to close up here, the presentation is really lackluster. Give me the camera real quick.
Bro, it's fucking school cafeteria food, bro.
Yeah, but the presentation really, it looks like
It looks like meat between buns.
exactly. It looks like meat between buns. Something that certain people would enjoy, but
What do you mean by that?
SD.
Come on, actually, he's not that privileged.
Fair.
He's rich, but he's not privileged.
Exactly. That's worse, no?
Hey, look, man. LG's got motion. You just can't see it.
First, I have to figure out how to see him. Then I'll see his
Bro,
motion.
food review.
I'm gonna have to blur that out. Anyway.
Speaking of SD.
Okay, we're calling it.
Edwin! Oh, yo, where you at?
Hello. This
What the fuck, SD?
This guy
Why are you so dead with energy, man? What happened to the fucking... redo that thing. Redo the thing.
Come on, this time it's seasoning.
What's up?
There we go. That
I'm gonna have to give it a 2 out of 10.
actually, genuinely, it's. I can't
Yo.
quite find the words.
3 me like IT.
Wow.
Bro, you did not see that coming.
On my channel too, yeah. Wow.
Yo,
Wow, that's how he's moving.
wasn't that kind of smooth though?
It was.
Be
It
real
was.
with me. Wasn't that
It
kinda
was.
smooth though?
It was. So, ladies, if you're single,
Whoa. No. I have too much already. Can't. Too focused on my career, bro.
and now it's time for me to go home. This is a part of that. I'm off this thing. I'm off a very hectic schedule,
जनता को आप मूर्ख समझना बंद कर दीजिए.
and a very hectic semester. But we got through it. And now we go and find our room. So my room is 718. So I'll go to room 7 and then we'll try and find it. And we are in. Okay. I like this, I like this a lot. Got a little view of the street. Nice little art post. Oh my, I really like this actually. I love the way the TV's docked. And we got chargers, that's very important. We got the bath. Alright, I'm gonna go make myself comfortable. So I just took a nap, woke up, got myself some pizza. So good thing about these guys is they don't have room service, but they have like a lot of outlets. यहाँ से आप ले सकते हो खाना. So yeah, I mean the portion sizes aren't too bad. Fairly priced, but yeah. I'm gonna go take a shower and I'll see you guys once I'm, well, not this homeless. And that's me done with my shower. I guess it's time to hop into bed. One thing I loved about this room is the TV and the way it can just get stored. And then if you're like on the bed, right, you can just change its orientation based on how you like. And yeah, it is currently 10:30 p.m. I need to get up at 5 to catch my flight. I will see you guys whenever I wake up. Okay, so there was no indication that I actually traveled in the video, but I did. I got home and then my dad and I decided to go to like a recreational karting facility to see, how we fare against the general public. And this is the post-race interview.
Okay, Anand and Anand's dad. I want to ask you, how was today's race different than karting race, different than the previous ones? And Anand, did you enjoy today's race or it was different than previous ones?
want to answer
भैया डिफरेंस तो यही था 3-4 चिलगोजे थे आज आगे रोल हो रहे थे है ना तो वो 3-4 के ऊपर से हमने गाड़ियाँ निकाली ठीक है स्पीड
debatable. अब ऊपर से is highly debatable.
स्पीड पंप्स जैसा फील हुआ, कुछ कुछ आवाज़ भी आ रही थी,
दुड़न दुड़न.
काऊ काऊ काऊ। एक आध बच्चा जो है, और बच्चे घूर घूर के देख रहे थे हमें।
As if it was our fault.
And Anand, you?
फॉल्ट उनके माँ बाप
You?
का।
Huh?
What about you?
So how this race was different. एक बहुत key factor ये था
अच्छा,
कि
इंग्लिश में, अच्छा हाँ ठीक है।
so एक key factor ये था कि obviously as mentioned Chilgoze were a part of the race, and well, let's just say they weren't the most skilled drivers.
पवन से उतर के आए थे।
Yes.
अरे तो कम से कम we at least do race pace. They were not even doing pace. So I mean, I had a few incidents. I had a few laps of mine deleted because of incompetent driving. But got there in the end. Got the podium. Got first place. Nothing too bad. But yeah, did I enjoy it? I mean, look, when you've got people who there's one thing defending your position, there's another thing having absolutely no idea of where a car is coming from. You know, now same way, if I was to go into a corner fast while they're trying to cut me off and take them out, then it's my fault. So I mean, you just kind of have to go through these kind of races and see where you can achieve, what kind of position you can achieve, and yeah.
Anand?
So we are in some sort of harbor type. So it's like a viewing point here in Sukshar, and I mean, just look at the view. So yeah, that's that for the day. If this is the last cut, I'll see you guys in wherever I am next. And yeah, please subscribe. Love you guys.
Already seen.